Do you need to store and work with large raster datasets? If you deal with satellite imagery or orthophotos, you've probably faced this challenge. Such data can easily reach tens of terabytes, and storing it inside systems like NextGIS Web can become expensive. S3-compatible storage is a popular way to reduce costs for large datasets. But you still want to use these rasters in your web maps, apply complex styles, and query pixel values interactively. Now, NextGIS Web supports working with external S3-compatible storage. First, I create a new resource, raster storage. I select the AWS S3 type and fill in the connection parameters. Next, I create a new raster layer. There are two ways to work with raster storage. The first option is to upload the raster from my computer but store it in S3 instead of a built-in NextGIS Web storage. To do this, I select the raster storage, upload the file, and create the resource. The raster is fully functional. I can create a default style and preview it without any issues. But if I check the storage usage in NextGIS Web, it shows 0, because the data is stored in S3. Now I create another raster layer. This time I choose a different mode, attach raster from storage. I select the same raster storage and specify the name of a raster that already exists there. After creating the resource, the raster is successfully attached and becomes fully available in NextGIS Web. Let's now connect to these rasters from QGIS. I establish a connection to my Web GIS using the NextGIS Connect plugin. Navigate to the folder with the rasters and add one of them to QGIS. Here I can configure styling using the full power of QGIS. Once done, I upload the style back to NextGIS Web. Next, I create a WMS service for this raster directly from QGIS. Opening the WMS service page in NextGIS Web, I get the WMS and WMTS links. The QGIS style I configured is applied there as well. Back in QGIS, I create a web map with this raster. It's also quick and straightforward. Now I can share a web map based on S3 hosted raster data styled with QGIS symbology. NextGIS Web can now act as a management center for rasters stored in external S3 compatible storage. NextGIS Web is an open source WebGIS server with strong QGIS integration. You can publish QGIS projects to the web while preserving styles, and collaborate by connecting multiple QGIS instances, editing data together, and keeping everything in sync. NextGIS Web is available as a cloud service, and it can also be deployed on your own server for full control and scalability. You can also explore the source code on GitHub.